Track 16, Damn, Turkey Chili, inspired by Kendrick Lamar, God. Damn, this chili is good. Made with earthy vegetables, hearty beans, and ground turkey. This will for sure make a delicious dish for a chilly winter night. It is also packed with 55 grams of protein to support your appetite and have your flakes on swole like yeah. Make you feel some type of way, then yeah. You can also save the leftovers for eggs and chili the next day, or add it to your spaghetti, squash, and joe. Hey, don't judge me. This recipe provides 2 servings. 1 serving size provides 370 calories, 17 grams of total fat, 22% of your daily value, 4 grams of saturated fat, 20% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 95 milligrams of cholesterol, 32% of your daily value, 770 milligrams of sodium, 33% of your daily value, 24 grams of carbohydrate, 9% of your daily value, 5 grams of fiber, 18% of your daily value, 29 grams of protein, 58% of your daily value. Ingredients: 1 pound of lean ground turkey, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning with pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of chopped peppers and onions, fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 can of tomato sauce, ½ cup of diced tomatoes, 3 ounces of A1 sauce, 1 can of navy beans, optional, top of cilantro, a squeeze of lime, ½ teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 ounce of shredded mild cheddar cheese. Directions: heat oil in a 12-inch non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add chopped onions, peppers, garlic to pan. Season ground turkey with adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and add to pan. Cook until golden brown. Add A1 sauce, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, and ½ cup water. Open can of navy beans, rinse, and add to pan. Stir, cover, and cook on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes and serve.